Hey YouTube, Chris from Bluegrass Media here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of this Joby, I don't know how it's pronounced, GripTight Mount Pro. It is a tripod mount for a smartphone. I bought this because I wanted to do a video on a project I'm working on, and I don't have a camcorder at the moment. My camera actually takes pretty good video, but I wanted to be able to film from my tripod so I could give get good steady shots. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and take a look at it. I saw a lot of good reviews on this online, and it actually sells for about 30 bucks at Best Buy. So I got this used for, I think, 10 bucks. So saved a good amount of money there. So let's get this opened up here and take a look at it. Alright, we got it opened here. There really wasn't anything in there other than the mount. I don't know if there was any paperwork, a manual, or anything like that that was supposed to be with it. There is some cracks in the package here. Like I said, I bought this used. So the box doesn't have a whole lot on it, really. It's made in China. Copyright 2016. So it will rotate 90 degrees, which is pretty cool. Let's see here. It's got some measurements on here. I guess that's measurements for the product. Rotatable, lockable, universal smartphone mount that works with any tripod. So here's some pictures of it right here on the back, and I'll go ahead and show you some more photos of it that I found online that kind of show you how everything works. And here's some more information about it. Let's see that's about all that's there. Nothing on the top, and there's the front. So let's take a look at this. Here's the mount in its natural state. There's the standard screw type tripod mount, so it should fit on my tripod just fine. Warranty void if seal broken. Okay. So you can loosen it like this, and this will move like that. So you got your pan or your tilt capability there. I already have a tilt on my tripod, so I won't be using that. I'll just tighten it down in place. And this part here, you loosen this and you bring this up to fit the width of your phone, but it's also how you tilt it 90 degrees, like, yeah, and I'm trying to do it one-handed, but yeah, you do it like that, and that's how you do the 90 degrees. So if you want to film vertically, which I hope not, unless your phone automatically switches from vertical to horizontal, because vertical videos are just terrible. Don't do that. But if you want to shoot vertically, you can do that with this mount. So, alright, let's go ahead and get this on my tripod and see how it looks. Alright, I got it mounted to my tripod here. Now, this is obviously not a professional grade tripod. It's just one I bought off eBay years ago. China made, of course, and everything's plastic with some really thin metal. But here's what I have, how I have it set up. Here are the hot shoe mount. I have this piece here, and there's a stud that comes up through here. Now this bracket here is for the future adding of some lights. So I'll have a light on each side of the camera or phone, whichever I'm using at the time, and I can illuminate the subject, whatever I'm filming. I did have to use some washers as spacers to get the proper fit, but other than that, everything went on just fine. I went ahead and pre-adjusted it to the width of my phone so that I can just slide it in and out. I don't have to actually untighten it to get my phone out of there. It's just I can slip it in and it'll stay in place securely. There is padding in here. There's some rubber padding here, so the phone's not gonna rattle around or anything like that. I haven't done any video yet with the mount, but I will shortly here. Yeah, focus. So here you can see the back side of it, and so far it looks really promising. So I'm going to do some video of it here, and or some video with it, I should say, and see how the mount works. Alright, I got my phone in the mount now. I wish I could show you, but I'm filming with the phone. So, you can see I'm going to turn I'm turning the tripod by hand because it doesn't have a pan feature. But I'm going to shake it a bit here. Any rattling you hear is from the tripod itself, not from the mount. But so that's pan. There's a little bit of shakiness if you jostle it too much, but yeah, that's from the tripod itself. If I hold, yeah, I can get a little bit of flex out of the actual phone mount, but that's it. If I had a really good tripod, there wouldn't be any noticeable movement at all. So let me go ahead and loosen. And I'll give you the tilt feature here. This thing has really good tilt, but it doesn't pan. So let me get a little more stable here. So, all right, I'm going to do a fast tilt, and sorry if I'm making you a little motion sick there, but yeah, it's the mount seems really sturdy. It holds the phone no problem, yet I can still slip it out easily, which I'm going to do right now. And there it is, right there. So that is the Joby GripTight Mount Pro, and honestly, I would highly recommend this. And my next video, which is going to be an antenna build, which is why you see all my stuff here on the desk, or the workbench. My next video is going to be filmed using this mount on my tripod, so see you then. Thanks.